In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bot in Ctrader. We'll go from a blank screen to a simple, testable CBot, so you understand the flow from idea to execution safely. Start by launching Ctrader Desktop. Make sure you're signed in and working with a demo environment, which is perfect for building and testing without risking real funds. Once the platform is open, look at the left sidebar and switch to Automate, which you might remember as Calgo. This is the dedicated workspace for coding, compiling, and testing trading robots. Create a new bot by clicking New and choosing CBot. Give your bot a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, then click Create. Good naming helps when you build multiple versions. The editor will open with a basic C skeleton. Get familiar with the structure. Your bot class inherits from robot, and you'll see methods like onStart, which runs when the bot launches, onBar, or onTick, where your strategy logic usually lives, and onStop, which runs when it's disabled. You can also define input parameters, so you can tweak settings like timeframes, volumes, or indicator periods without changing code each time. This structure keeps your strategy organized and maintainable. Next, add an indicator to guide your entries and exits. A simple starting point is a moving average or RSI. Initialize the indicator in onStart so it's ready to calculate when your bot runs, and keep a reference you can read from in your logic. Indicators should match your chosen time frame and symbol to avoid mismatched signals. Now add the trading logic. For example, use a crossover idea. When a fast-moving average crosses above a slow one, you can consider buying. When it crosses below, consider selling. Make sure you check if there's already an open position to avoid stacking orders, and include sensible risk controls like volume, stop loss, and take profit levels. Keep conditions explicit and conservative while you learn. Click Build to compile. If you see errors, read the messages at the bottom, fix typos or missing references, and build again until it succeeds. Select your CBot and open backtesting. Choose a symbol, time frame, and a clear date range. Set realistic commissions and spread, then run the test. Review the equity curve, drawdown, trade list, and the log to confirm the bot behaves as intended and doesn't overtrade. Finally, run it on a demo account first. Attach the bot to a demo chart, confirm parameters, enable it, and monitor performance and logs. Only consider live trading after thorough testing and incremental improvements.